People always ask me how I get my straight hair so wavy. In this instructional video, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Make my hair beautiful and wavy. So the first thing I do is I put my head upside down and put it into a high ponytail. Then I fold it over twice, 1 and 2. That's gonna make a nice little bun on top of my head, and I just sleep on it that way. In the morning, I have a beautiful messy bun. Just take the hair down, one strand at a time. Let it rest over your shoulders. Then I like to get a little bit of dry shampoo and just spray it in my hair. It gives me a little extra volume. Work it through the scalp. There we go. Then I use my wave iron and just give my hair a little wave. There now. Now it's wavy and beautiful. Then I just do the other side. Gorgeous. If this video brought you value, then please like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means so much to us. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you have a good one. Bye!